Welcome, Salma and Orhan. Great you're joining me here on stage.
Thank you very much, Christina. Really happy to be at Live SPS after a couple of years.
Yes.
Excited to be here with our customers and audiences. Thank you.
And everybody's happy, everybody's smiling. And why don't you guys take a seat? Standing is way too exhausting. Take a seat, watch our presentation, and have fun learning more about maintenance efficiency now. Your customer, as a matter of fact, looks quite happy too. Please share the secret recipe, Selma, for this achievement.
Well, we have a happy customer on the screen who says that we are taking their maintenance process to the next level. What we are really doing is we are helping our customers to achieve their strategic targets like sustainability, resource efficiency, and so on, with the help of our predictive maintenance offerings. And I would like here today to share with our audience live and those who are watching us also in the live stream, the story of our customer Hayat Holding, how we have created value for them. So let's start with the customer introduction. Hayat Holding is one of the world's largest tissue producer and a dominant name in baby care products. They were founded in 1937 in Turkey, and they grew rapidly in the global market. And now they have 16 powerful brands, 36 production facilities in 12 different countries.
Okay, that's massive.
And they are serving millions of consumers globally.
And lots of parents are very, very happy for that.
Oh, yes.
I hear they are very big in the diapers industry.
Yeah.
Okay, so let us talk about the customer requirements.
Well, Christina, you know that consumer goods is a fast-moving market sector. And to stay competitive in the game, the companies are looking for opportunities to increase the efficiency, reduce time to market for the product, reduce cost in production and maintenance, and also to increase the maintenance efficiency. And Hayat had more or less same requirements. They wanted to have reliable predictive maintenance, increased system availability, plus they also wanted to optimize their maintenance processes. And last but not the least, like everyone for us, they wanted to save cost in maintenance.
Of course, and this is what you wish for actually when you think of digital. So how did we address this long wish list of our customer, Orhan?
Thank you. Based on the initial requirements of our customers, our standard 7-step approach, as you can see, consulting, digitalization check, preparation, implementation, data and process analysis, optimization and maintenance. That's our North Star for the every single digitalization project. So we started with the consultation phase, and then we went to the on-site to check all the iBase, collected to the necessary information from the site, as well as we looked from the connectivity and also the internet side as an infrastructure side. Furthermore, we had a meeting with the customer for their expectations, pain points, improvement points. And then finally, we had a conclusion that how we can make a possible value-add project for our customer. And based on this, we created a report with the recommended action items.
Okay, so you presented it, and then the customer was super excited to go with you. What happened after you presented it?
Yes, following the mutual agreement with the customer, let's say we started the implementation of this project like on-site implementation for the connectivity, measurement systematic, how we connect to the devices, to the internet, also deploying the predictive service app, which is the major visualization for our customer. With this, customer can see the visualization of the data, also maintenance planning, spare part transparency, artificial intelligence area, so that with this, we make the complete package for the customers so that they can use this benefit. And plus, with the configuration of artificial intelligence, we implemented the standard bearing failures, standard imbalance, other failures into the systematic so that we can have the benefit for the customer during the operation mode. And also the root cause analysis as well as.
AI functionalities, I think, was also a topic there.
Yeah, that was the topic. That was the big impact. That's for sure. So during the working mode of the artificial intelligence, we received a notification from the system. So with this there was a basic bearing failure. So we consulted with the customer how we can make this shutdown before the failure occurs. So we agreed with the customer to change the bearings, also to change the belts itself, and then finally, system is running. But the important side was the shutdown. We didn't have a shutdown because when we have a shutdown there, the pulp will be dried, will not be dried, and then we will have a big problem during the operation side. And based on this, and the important side is complete decision, prediction, decision, and implementation took not more than 3 days.
Wow.
That was the amazing side. Implementation, decision, and the complete prediction, not more than 3 days. That was the highlight of the project.
Definitely. So what was the impact of your implemented solution?
Actually, first year savings more than 10,000 euro, 15% more availability, saving the repair costs, optimization of the complete system, because not only the motor, also also the application side. It was the highlight because we are not looking only our core, we are looking also other side which we can bring there. So we bring transparency, additional conditions to the customer. So with the artificial intelligence, which brings us an value add for customer and the benefit for customer. So we did some recommended actions like bearing exchange, like cleaning fan, bearing misalignments. So we did these activities to support our customer.
I can tell you're deeply involved into this project and very passionate, Oren. This is fantastic to see, really. So I understand correctly, it was just the start of this project, and then it brought more potential for us coming into the game. New doors were opened in the maintenance business. Can you tell us more about that?
Of course. Based on the data we collected from the site, we also analyze from the energy consumption perspective, because we can see all the energy consumption. Yeah? So we make an analysis and then we submit it to the customer that there is an huge potential that they can implement there. So with this, our new efficiency electrical motors, we suggested them to replace the 51 motors, and the Hayat management accepted to change the 51 motors based on our proposal. So with this one, also we look to the application side, how we can improve and collect the information at the same time.
And I would like to add here, Christine, the digitalization benefit that we could create for our customer. You know that everyone is looking for digitalization, and data is the key for that. Mm-hmm. So what we did, as Orhan mentioned, that we replaced their old motors with new high energy efficient motors, 51 motors. So we took 27 out of that and connected them directly to the cloud using a Simotics Connect 400 box. It's a smart connectivity box with sensors, and it took motor signals like temperature, vibration, and so on to the cloud just using wireless LAN. And on the other side, the customer, he could access our web-based predictive service dashboards to assess the health of the motors, and they could really, let's say, predict the health, and they could avoid failure before it had happened.
So the doctor check.
Yeah, and exactly. And also, so the result was so convincing for the 27 motors that now Hayat is going for remaining motors for cloud connectivity. And that's not only the part. Looking at what market is asking for, like for data, we in Siemens, we internally expanded our portfolio for field data enablement and also our brownfield connectivity services. And the customer, they can analyze the data and they can use it to increase the efficiency of their plant. And looking at the time, not enough time left now, I would like to
give it a try,
yeah, to Dominic, our expert at the booth, and he will show what I'm talking about.
Okay, quickly to Melissa and Dominic.
It's all about maintenance efficiency, and I'm standing here with Dominic. Dominic, tell us, what do you have for us here?
Yes, we have here as an example a Dynamics G120 representing a field device, and this is connected to our Simatic FDE that is continuously taking data out of it and sending it to our brownfield connectivity suite. It's a software to gather and transfer data from the field level to the devices that do the analysis of the data. For example, the industrial edge, a cloud, or both of them if you want to use both advantages. In this way, you can see the dashboards, the predictive service dashboards, that gives you also the health status of your assets. And this enables you and gives you also recommendations for maintenance and enables you to keep availability high and to lower your maintenance costs. And in other words, do smart maintenance.
I like that. Smart maintenance. Back to you, Christine, on stage.
All right, smart maintenance. I have very smart colleagues here, and they will summarize the benefits now.
Yes, definitely. And looking at the time, I do it quick. First thing is that the customer, the return on investment already started to pay back in the first year. They could save 10,000 euro only from the one motor maintenance we are talking about.
Wow.
The second thing is system availability increased by 15%.
Transparency of the plant increased, optimize the maintenance, as can say, increase the productivity as well, and also more energy consumption is decreased due to the projects, and also help to reach the sustainability targets. And finally, optimization of the KPIs, I can say.
Definitely. And sustainability, big topic as well.
Yes, definitely. And it's very fulfilling to develop a trustworthy partnership with our customers. Do visit us. We are at station number 77.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Orhan and Salma, this is where we find you, where Melissa was just talking to Dominic, our colleague. Great presentation, great project, and I can understand why your customer is having this big smile and so happy about it, what we showed in the beginning.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Big hand of applause to you. Great project. Looking forward to see more of that at the next fair.